students, welcome back. Right, we are going with the class 11 political science. Very interesting subject, very rocking, and we are continuing from the question number 6 to the question number 7. Lesson number 1, constitution, why and how. Right, you have already seen the notes what I have given you related to constitution. Again I will giving you the notes, so no need to worry about that one. So here the question number 7 says, mention the sources of the Indian constitutions along with features taken. Now what does it mean? That means our constitutions was formed by different people were involved, as you know, Dr. Ambedkar, right, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, right, and Jawaharlal Nehru. But somewhere they did not have the total communication to form it. They have disagreed, but somewhere they were agreed. And the answer says here, the Government of India Act 1935, in this 2/3 of the Indian Constitution from Government of India Act 1935, this was taken for our constitutions. So 2/3 members have made these constitutions to make it, and do not forget, from the other countries our constitutions were also taken. For example, British constitutions, right? We have taken help from the United States Constitution. Then we have taken from Irish means Ireland. Then provided by, we have taken from the French Revolution, that is France, provided with the Canadian and with the German. So 6 countries were involved. So you will get short questions, then followed by the long questions. You are going to see how it works over here. So I explain you again. Parliamentary system. Now when we are talking of the parliamentary system, again we have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So this system was made, and this, the representative of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are making it to form the government in a very proper way. Then we have federal court and federal system. What do you mean by federal court and federal system? Federal court or federal system means when there is one particular party, they are not have the majority, but 2 parties, we say another word, coalition government, they form the government, right? They form the government and run the government from that particular state. Example, Karnataka, right? So now here we are having number 4, provisional autonomy. Now provisional autonomy means individual, right? For particular cases we have reserve our rights. We don't give any freedom for other to interfere in our country constitutions. So if you understand this, right, I will repeat again, I will give you the notes. Now here we go with the second, British constitution. Now British constitution, or we say UK or Britain constitution, number 1 over here, parliamentary government. Parliamentary government means there will be one speaker will be there, who will be the in charge, who will be taking the all the connectivity, right? Single citizenship. What do you mean by single citizenship? That means a person totally belongs to one country. He cannot get another citizenship from another country, right? You are from India, you will get the citizenship of India. That's why we go with the Aadhaar card, right? And you may have go to abroad, means you need a passport, but you cannot have passport from the 2 countries. Generally one country, but if you are staying long time for that country, like we say green pass, blue pass. What are these green pass and blue passes? If I try to find out, like America, they will give you green passes, and when you go to the Britain, they will give you blue passes. Now here, number 3, we says over here, speaker under the British. That is a very powerful. When we go with the American United States constitutions, there we say character of the fundamental rights. So in the fundamental rights, you know, we have given you the article 8, article 9, article 10, article 11, article 12, article 13, article 14, article 15, article 16. Again I give you, so fundamental rights, we have fundamental rights, right? For eating, you don't have any restriction. For staying anywhere in India, so when you go further, you are going to see that we are having 28 states and 9 union territory. Now it has changed, right? From 7 to 9 union territory, Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir, and Jammu Kashmir, the state has been removed, right? It has been reduced to 28 states now we are having. So here when we are talking of the number 2, independence of the judiciary. So judiciary is very very important when you are talking of, and for that we are having 3 types of court, right? When you go further you are going to see, so the highest court will be the Supreme Court, right, when they give the final decision, and then we in the down we have High Court, and then down we have District Court. District Court decision is not made, then we will appeal to the High Court, and High Court to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court decision will be the final. So in this, when you see in the independence of judiciary, so we have selected Chief Justice of India also. So I humbly request you to find out who is the Chief Justice of India. That's your work for today, you get it done. Tomorrow I am going to ask you, right? Next we are having United States Constitution. Now what is United States? In the Constitution we have already mentioned in the judiciary, but do not forget, again I repeat, here is the President is the head of the state. In India, Prime Minister, but we follow the first citizen is President, right? Then we go with the Irish Constitution. Irish means the Ireland, okay? In the Ireland, number 1 is the provide guidelines to the states. So we have the rights, the center will be giving rights to the states, what they have to do it over there, right? Recently I told you, state have their own policies to make, and according to the population, MP will represent, MLA will be representing. Recently our Adityanath Yogi, what he has done it, for to getting the medicines, he has made chartered aeroplanes which were reserved for the state to utilize to get the things from the Goa, right? Especially for COVID-19 machines, all the things is using. So like this special principles of the state policies, the policies has to be made and it has to be shared among the citizen, among the state people, those who wants to know very clearly about their rights, right? For example, Aadhaar card can be made from, but it will be written from which place you are, right? When we go with the French constitutions, there it is very important, says principles of the liberty and equality. So some policies will have a liberal. Liberal means, for example, right, I am from West Bengal, right, but I am working in Uttar Pradesh. So I can work in anywhere according to my qualification and the freedom, right? So this type of things, recently you have seen so many laborers are coming from other places. They are from UP and they have gone to other places. Like that, different peoples are working in different, so we have liberal, we don't put so much restrictions on that they cannot work over there. And then when we talk of further, we have Canadian, right, the idea residual power. So some particular powers will be liberated with them, and that power will be utilized. For example, now recently in Uttar Pradesh we are bringing now Japanese people to develop the nation related to the fertilizers, related to different types of farms, and making it very fast, right? Kindly see the details in over there. Now here we are having one more, right? German. This is called emergency. Now in this is the emergency. We are talking of the emergency means any state which has an emergency, right, that may be made by the natural disaster. I have written here one article, right, 356. Now what is this? This is the precedent rule, right? If any state is facing any problem due to the natural disaster or any type of calamities or any type of COVID, so president has rights to make the things to be happen. So emergency power, we have taken this constitution from the Germany, right? So students, again I just give you a conclusion. There are 6 countries: Britain, United States, that is America, Irish means Ireland, then French means France, and Canada and German, where we have taken in our constitution, we have added all those things, and the government of India Act 1935. The notes will follow you where you are going to see these things are being added. Slowly you try to read it, understand it. I am giving on the board form, I am explaining you, and again you will come back with the short type of questions. So we are going to see the question answers, and I am going to give you one assignment. Kindly see that assignment. Till then today, take care. Do not forget to read the newspaper. Kindly read the newspaper and watch the news. Thank you so much. Take care.